how to add an attachment to an email or Gmail on your iPhone. Now this is really simple, so before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our more tutorial videos. Now let's just start. First, just open up your Gmail, and now just you'll have to compose an email. Now after you tap on compose, just type in your receiver's email. Just type in your subject. I'm just gonna say trial, and when you go to the compose email section, just type in whatever you want. This here is an attachment. Now there is a pin looking button right above your receiver's email section. Now after you tap on that, this section will pop up. Now all you need to do is just add an attachment. Now you can add photos, you can add from your drive, you can add from your attachments on your phone. So just select any one. After you do, your attachment will get added to your email. Now all you need to do is just send it. Now that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.